right, so now we're talking computer science with John, who is a program director. Thanks for hanging out with us. Tell us what we need to know about this program.
They're learning a lot of skills that are actually to certification standards. Our basic first semester classes start off with A+ certification classes, plus some Python, plus some database. Second goes into Network Plus. We get into third, we get to Security Plus, ethical hacking. Typically, the first 2 semesters are for the diploma. So It just gives you a good base, and it's also a good stopping point if that's all they want. So yes, we're doing on that. It's we do have 2 semesters for the diploma and then the AES. Typically the students all sign up for the 4-year, but we have had some students that have started at the 2nd year, and you know, that's where they wanted to be, and they stopped, and then the other ones go in.
Who is this program for, would you say?
Everybody. Anybody. From this particular program, we can take it from the person that knows a little bit about a computer to knows about a lot, because as we start in the first semester to the second, it's giving you all the foundations for computer science. Our program is broken into 3 kind of separate areas. We have the actual help desk area, okay? So anybody that wants to do help desk and everything, we train them for that. And then the next part that we've been doing for up to the last 5 years has actually been network support. In other words, we can take all the computers, make them talk together, make them work. And now recently with the Center of Academic Excellence in Cyber Defense, we've actually moved now to the cybersecurity part of it. So we actually have 3 different paths that they can go. Either, you know, the help desk, or they can go for the networking, or they can go for cybersecurity. The whole thing with computer science is actually, it's pouring over into electrical, HVAC, it's pouring over into plumbing, it's pouring in to all those fields too. We're also working with our autonomous equipment on here, that we may have a student that's getting out of a diploma that's going to go to the autonomous equipment program. Right. So they're going, right now, their program only has to take a single networking class, where they're going to come with a diploma and then go into that program. So that's going to really make them another real beneficial to the employers out there, that now they have a diploma plus this instead of just 1 class in networking.
Yeah, wow.